Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. Recruitment of officer grade A means assistant manager 2024. They are going to recruit for the different streams, just like general stream, legal stream, information and technology stream, research stream, official language stream, and electrical or engineering stream. So let's have a look. So first of all, we know that SEBI means Securities and Exchange Board of India is a statutory body established by an act of parliament. Okay, now when I'm coming to this one, you can see the online application and payment of fee online already started from today, means June 11, and the last date for this will be June 30. Availability of call letters on the SEBI website for online examination, because they are going to recruit on the basis of online examination only. Okay, without get scorecard means there is an opportunity that you can appear in this exam and you can clear this exam. So will be intimated by email or SMS. Phase 1 online examination will be there. The date is already released, July 27. Phase 2 August 31, except paper 2 of information technology. Paper 2 of phase 2 information technology will be on the 14th September, and phase 3 will be the interview. So they will have 3 phases recruitment process. First, online examination phase 1 will be there from the July 27. So you need to ready from the July 27, before July 27. Okay, now here this is the official website. You can just check it out here, the complete detail also, so you will have more information. Now the next thing is here, the SEBI invites applications from the Indian citizens for the post of officer grade A or assistant manager. When we are coming here, so this is for the general stream. Okay, now general stream, who can apply master's degree or postgraduate diploma in any discipline, bachelor's degree in law or bachelor degree in engineering. So here also you guys can apply here. So please read out. I'm just covering this one also. Stream is general. Total number of vacancies are 62 here. Its number of vacancies are mentioned according to the categories also. Here when you are talking about education, qualification and experience, so this is master's degree or postgraduate diploma in any discipline, or bachelor's degree in law or bachelor's degree in engineering from a recognized university. So you are having a BE BTech degree from a recognized university, so then you can apply here for the general stream also. Okay, and then equivalent to master's degree, it's also mentioned. Now this is the first thing. When I'm coming to the second is the legal. So legal, they require surely the law only. Information technology, now look at here, number of vacancies are a total 24. Bachelor's degree in engineering in any branch, BE BTech in any branch can apply in this one also and in the general also, or bachelor degree in any discipline with the postgraduate qualification, minimum 2-year duration in computer science, computer application, information technology from a recognized university. So BE BTech candidates can also apply. BE BTech with masters can also apply. It's clearly mentioned. When I'm coming to the research, so again research is there for the specifically, so I will not suggest you. Even here we can see the option is for the artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data analytics, but I'm not suggesting you. So let's come to the next one, official language. Yeah, this is the electrical. They are having in electrical engineering, total 2 vacancies are there. Okay, and what is the requirement? Requirement is bachelor's degree in electrical engineering is required. Now other than this, in this one they required some desirable experiences also mentioned in this, especially in this post. Okay, now indicate backlog vacancies to obtain on or before June 30, 2024. First of all, candidate belonging to OBC category, and it's also mentioned, you can just check it out. Okay, so candidates qualifying for phase 3 interview under EWS category would be required to submit. So if in this case, if you are just filling the form with the EWS category, so you need to show your certificate also. Okay, now this is important. Note that candidates are permitted to apply for maximum of 2 stream only for which he or she is eligible to apply. So as an engineering student, you guys can apply with the general also, you guys can apply with the IT also, you guys can apply with the electrical also. Electrical means specifically electrical is required, but in IT and general, all the engineering, BE BTech, any branch student can apply here. It's mentioned. So you can apply maximum of the 2 stream as per their educational qualification. Separate online application for each stream will have to be submitted. That is also mentioned. Okay, and the fees also you need to pay for this different. All right. Now the next is request for change or correction is the application form. Please check it out. These details also about the corrections. The date of passing. Yeah, this is important. The date of passing eligibility exam will be date appearing on the mark sheet or provisional certificate issued by the university. In case the result of a particular examination is posted on the website of the university, certificate issued by this one also you need to show. Now age limit is here. As on 31st March 2024, candidate must not have exceeded the age of 30 years as on the March 31. So the age limit is 30 years. Candidate must have born on or after, okay, on or after April 1 to 1994. Okay, upper age limit relaxation is there according to the rule of the government of India. You can just check it out. Mode of selection, this is an important thing. What is the mode of selection? Mode of selection shall be a 3-stage process. Phase 1 online screening examination consisting of 2 papers of 100 marks each. Phase 2 online examination consisting of 2 papers of 100 marks each, and phase 3 will be interview. 1, 2 and 3 phases will be there. Now what is this? Here it's mentioned phase 1 an online screening examination consisting of 2 papers, multiple choice question of 100 marks each will be held on the July 27. The exam will consist, what it will consist? Paper 1, all streams, the multiple choice question on the subject just like general awareness, okay, and including some questions related to the financial sector of easy to moderate difficulty level, also English language, quantitative aptitude and test of reasoning. It will be 100 marks, duration 60 minutes, cutoff will be 30%. The second is the paper 2. So paper 2 is for the general stream, multiple choice question on the subject just like commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, companies act and economics. And from the legal, this is different. So again 100 marks, 40 minutes and 40%. And the aggregate cutoff they require to clear will be 40%. This is also mentioned. There shall be negative marking also. It's clearly mentioned that there shall be negative marking. 1/4 of the marks will be there. Will be a cutoff of minimum 30% for paper 1. Okay, 40% for the paper 2 as I already told you. All right. So now this is if the candidate will clear the phase 1, then only you will be shortlisted for the phase 2. And once you will cover the phase 2, then only you will be shortlisted for the phase 3. This is also mentioned. So syllabus for phase 2 is also mentioned. You can just check it out. Phase 2 will be again the online examination. Paper 1 for the all stream English descriptive test. Okay, to test the drafting skills. So 100 marks, 60 minutes, 30% weightage is also mentioned. Paper 2 general stream, multiple choice question on subjects commerce and it's mentioned, and for the legal stream also it is mentioned. Okay, 100 marks, 90 minutes, 40% and 2/3 is the weightage. So paper 2 we can see is a descriptive, which we can understand from here. And in the information technology branch, the coding test language C++, Java, Python is required. 100 marks, 210 minutes, 40% is the required marks. Okay, so you can just check it out, this detail also, dear students. Aggregate cutoff is 50% in this case. Okay, so paper 2 of phase 2 information technology will be held on the 14th September. This is also mentioned. All right, so I hope this is an after that only the interview will be there. So it's mentioned that the interview weightage is 75%. Okay, marks will be this one. Relevant post qualification is 25%. So okay, service condition and pay allowances. Service condition is mentioned here. Pay allowances is pay scale of the officer in grade A will be 44,500 to 2500. This is the mention. This is the mention thing. Okay, now if I will talk about this one, the gross emoluments including SEBI's contribution toward national pension scheme, grade allowances, special allowances, everything when I will include, this will be 1,55,000 without accommodation, and with accommodation this will be 1,16,500 per month with accommodation. So this is very good surely. Okay, benefits are mentioned here. You can check it out. Accommodation will be there also. Examination centers, they mention which places are available for the examination center. Please check it out also before filling the form, before going with the details. Application fees is non-refundable. For unreserved OBC, this is 1,000 rupees as per plus 18% GST. SC, ST, PWBD 100 rupees as intimation charge plus 18% GST. It's also mentioned here. Okay, for the different persons it is mentioned. You can check it out. I think each and every information I cover here. The guideline for person with disability is also some things are mentioned here. Okay, and I think the general information is also given. You can just check it out. This is the official website. You can just check this detail, how to apply. Each and every detail is mentioned here, bachcho. Please check it out. Again, I'm saying, repeating my point, you need to just check each and every detail before applying. What is the eligibility criteria, whether you are eligible or not. So everything, please check it out. Okay, as here the minimum marks is not mentioned, so you can just go through with this one also. Okay, identification, verification, everything is there. So last date also I cover. I think if there is an important thing to here, the syllabus is also mentioned. You can just check it out. The syllabus, look at here, the syllabus is also mentioned. For every branch, the syllabus is also mentioned, right guys? So you can just check it out. This detail you can just check it out. And again, I'm repeating about the date. So it's already started. Last date will be June 30. Before that, you guys can fill the form in general and IT category and electrical category also. Only electrical students can fill there. Otherwise, in general and IT, all the engineering streams students can fill there. So check it out. More details at the official website of SEBI, so that you will have better clarity. Thank you.